In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sonarr. So I have in here this article that can help us with the step-by-step on how to install this. First, you need to actually see how to set it up. So just head over to the download option. You can download Sonarr by getting the latest version. It doesn't auto-update, so manual install is required. Just click on this download option right here in order to download it. And for the installation, you can head over and then see the installation for the Windows. You can just run the XC file and then you can head over and do this. Now, after downloading Sonarr file from the official site, run the XC file with admin privileges and click on Next and decide how you want Sonarr to run. You can use right here, you can download it using torrent, the saving files on your home directory. Just choose right here which one you want and click on Next. Now it will complete the download wizard and you can open Sonarr. You can use your web browser and go to these options we have right here. Here is the port that we currently have, and if you're having trouble opening it, you can quit it and then open it again and try visiting the local host associated with this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.